Hello learners, hope you all are doing good. So today in this session we are going to see how to convert a row of data into a string. So let's see the scenarios. So let's suppose we have one table department and which is having department name and employee name as column. So we have three departments: banking, finance and telecom, and we have corresponding employees to the department name, and we need to convert this to this format. So like we are doing here, we are doing um, grouping basically the data. So for banking we have Rahul, Riya, Ram, and for finance we have ARMAAN, ASHU, and telecom ADITI, Adi. So we are grouping the data according to our department name. So in same way, we have another table where we have department ID and employee name, and here also we are sorting the data according to our department ID. So how can we convert this data, like convert this row of data into a string? So here comes one function, list aggregation, which operates on all the rows and convert or say return a single output row. So let's see in the Oracle DB. So I have my data. So I am creating one table department name, and then I am inserting this data. So let's run this query. So table is created and data is inserted, and we have this table. So we have department name table, and where we have department name and ename as column name. So let's write the query for conversion. Okay, so see, we, we need to fetch the data. So select department name, and where we want to use this aggregation function. So we want to use it on ename. We want to get ename in as a string, right? So we need to write list aggregation, and then we need to pass the column name, comma. We need to pass any string splitter, like here we can pass comma, slash, anything. So whatever you want to pass here, you can just pass. Okay, now from which table we are fetching this data? So department name, and then group by department name. Let's run this query. So see, we are getting the data in a string format separated by comma. Let's suppose you want to get the data as slash separated data. So you just need to replace comma with slash, and you can get your data with still slash separated. Here it's not looking good, so let's give one alias. So basically list aggregation ename is basically employee data, right? So we can write as employee underscore name. So it will look more accurate. So here we can see department name, employee name. So this query is valid above 18C Oracle DB, and those who are using 18C or lower than 18C, we need to modify this query. So for them, we just need to write one query, like we need to write within, then group, and then we need to sort the column. So we need to sort order by ename. So see, so here also we are getting the same data, and here also if you want to use alias name, you can use whatever you want to give the name. So currently I'm giving employee name because it's simplified data. See, we are getting this data. Now here also, if you want to get any other string separator, you can give, like if you want to give the and or percentage, anything you want to give. So you get your data in that format only. Okay. So let's suppose you don't know which database is you having, like you are using. So there is simple query. You just run it on your database. So select a star from v and then dollar, and then you just need to write version and run this query. So currently I'm using 21C. So this is giving us 21C Express edition. Okay. So we have one more table. So let me get the data for that table also. So select a star from department. Let me run this. So here we have having department ID and their corresponding employee, and we want to group our data according to our department ID. So we can use the same query, and we just need to replace the column name and table name. So it's department ID, and we need to sort with department ID. So group by uh, and then our table is department. So I will replace the department also, and done. So see, we are getting our data according to our department ID. Okay, and in same manner we can you modify this query also. So if you want to see, let me modify it for you. So here department ID, and here department ID, and we need to change the department table also. So let's run this query. See, we are getting the data. So hope you understand this concept, and now you will able to convert your row of data into a string with any string separator. So thank you, learner. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.